Hello guys, in this video I will share with you how to make Google Chrome default browser in Windows 11. The aim of this method is so that when you click on a link, the link will direct you to Google Chrome. Pay attention to this little arrow to follow the method. Okay guys, that's how to make Google Chrome the default browser on Windows 11. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button so you get notifications of the latest videos from this channel.